This week I have got the brand new Polestar 2. Now this is a fully electric 5-seater sedan. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Polestar 2 there are Isofix in the two outer second row seats. They are within plastic guides and really lovely and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three rear seat backs and they're easy to access through the boot. However, I did find it a little bit tricky to post the top tether strap through the headrests. Now I have got the Infosecure Attain More in here rear facing and the Aspire More forward facing. And we found that legroom was fantastic in the Polestar 2. We could fit a 186cm driver in front of a rear-facing child seat. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the links here. Now I found that the seat upholstery is fantastic in the Polestar 2 for families. Apparently it's a vegan fabric and I found it really easy to wipe all the children's crumbs and spills off of, and it looks brand new. Storage in the back of the Polestar 2 is good. There are two cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. The mat pockets are net, but they will hold an iPad. And the door bins in the back are quite small. They'll just hold a 600ml water bottle. Storage in the front of the Polestar 2 is good as well. In the central console there are two cup holders. One is inside the central console box. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In front of the gear lever is a wireless phone charging and two USB-C sockets as well. Now the glove box is a nice size in here. That will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual, and there's a handbag hook in the front of it as well. Now either side of the central console box there are glasses or phone trays too. The door bins are a good size in the front. They will hold a large refillable water bottle and a wallet that fits in there too. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box, which is fantastic for keeping the rear passengers the right temperature. The boot door of the Polestar 2 opens electronically and it even has a kick mode to open and close it as well. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 14 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 4 shopping bags, or a tandem pram and 5 shopping bags, a single pram and 6 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 10 shopping bags. And there's a great divider in the boot with hooks for 2 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. Now this is the dual motor long range variant, and we found it does about 400 kilometers to a full battery charge. It's nice and easy to charge, and this one has the performance pack, so it has the lovely orange seat belts on the interior and the very fancy wheels and brakes. Now the Polestar 2 is a lovely, elegant electric car to drive. It feels really nice and smooth, and it's a really lovely cabin to be in too. Now this model does have the performance pack on it, so it's got a really sporty ride, so it can be a little bit hard sometimes, but even with that it's not a problem for our family at all. It's really good fun. Now this one does go 0 to 100 in 4.7 seconds apparently, and I haven't tried that out yet. Now it's quite narrow, this car, so it makes it really nice and easy to park and manoeuvre around town and school and supermarket car parks and things like that. Now being fully electric, it's lovely and quiet, and you've got all the benefits of driving your kids to sleep or sitting with the aircon running while they're asleep, doing the school runs without churning through fuel. Now the media system in the Polestar 2 is quite different, and it's taking me quite a bit of getting used to. Now you do have Google Maps and Assistance, which is fantastic, and you can connect your phone really easily too. Now you've got your heated seats in the screen and your aircon and things like that too. Now one of the things I really like is how adaptable the volumes are, so you can really customize it. You can turn up and down the volume of the indicator, for example, and things like that, and the sat nav. Now when you put it into reverse, The camera image, you've got a beautiful 360 image, which is fantastic for manoeuvring, and also the reversing image is a bit of a shark's mouth, but it's still nice and clear, and you can easily turn the parking sensors on and off on the screen too. So to sum up with the Polestar 2, it is a lovely narrow car which makes it really nice and easy to park, but that does mean you can only get those 2 child seats in the back. It's a really elegant, beautiful electric car to drive, and that's one of my favourite things about it. The boot space is fantastic for families, and the media system is good too.